Hey guys, so a lot of you guys commented on my walk with Joe, grow with Joe video that I need to try another YouTuber who has amazing walk workouts as well. So her name is Body by Jerrika, and she also has a YouTube channel. Obviously, I'm really trying to get more cardio in, and of course walking it's undefeated. It's top tier, you know. Don't sleep on walking, y'all. I'm sorry, it's called Body for Days by Jerrika. Let me not say her name wrong. Disrespect. What I do like about these videos so far from what I'm seeing is they're low impact. So if you live in an apartment complex like I do and you're on the top floor, you're not like banging your neighbor's ceiling and everything like that. And it's just easier on your knees. If you also weightlift like I do, you should know the knees be the first to go. So this is actually really nice. Okay, I think I found the one I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try the fat melting cardio on the thumbnail, and then it says 30-minute calorie killer workout. I'm gonna leave the workout I'm trying down below. I really want to try her dancing workouts because I think dancing is just a great way to lose weight. But we're gonna focus today. We're gonna try this 30-minute calorie killer hit workout. Let's go change our clothes. I was debating for this workout if I needed to take some pre-workout because I'm tired. I have my waist belt here. This is not a waist trainer. This is a waist belt and just helps get some extra sweat to happen in my midsection, which is one of those areas for me. Isn't it for everyone? I'm wearing a Nike bra, obviously, and these are my areola leggings, which I haven't worn these to work out yet, but I'm a fan. I like them. I love their shorts, so I'll link these down below. I'm thinking of putting this belt on top of my pants, like this, or should I put them in my pants? Let's put it in my pants. I used to put Albaline or whatever that Vaseline stuff was, like all on my belly, and then I would wrap it with this. I can't tell you if it worked, but I was doing it. It's always weird on me because I have a really long torso, so it's like awkward up here. But then I'm gonna just stick it down there. Alright, y'all, it's for the gains. It's for the gains. I almost forgot to put my watch on. You haven't worked out unless your Apple Watch says you worked out. So we're gonna set this for what? Indoor walk? Or hit. It says hit. Yeah, I never did hit before. Let's try hit. Alright, let's go. I'm glad that you decided to choose this video to work out to today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
The light is coming to give back everything the darkness stole. The light is coming to give back everything the darkness stole. The light is coming to give back everything the darkness stole. The light is coming to give back everything the darkness stole. The light is coming to give back everything the darkness stole. The light is coming to give back everything the darkness stole. The light is coming to give back everything the darkness stole. Give back, give back, give back, the light is coming.
Y'all see this? Baby. Okay, Jerrika. Let me stop my watch. Okay, I total 271 calories. Active is 200 calories. She killed me. She killed me. Okay, before I give my review, I want to take this sweat belt off. Let's do that. Okay. Y'all can't even see that. Alright, well. Oh yeah, my back. Oh my god, did it go through my pants? It did. Gross. This is the belt. So, and it's not dripping on camera, but it's dripping in real life. Oh my gosh. Why is it on my pants? I'm back. I'm sorry. I had to regroup. Still catching my breath. I will say I did choose to do a HIIT workout, a 30-minute HIIT workout, so obviously it's more of one of the intense workouts. I will say I was a little like, I'm just uncoordinated as a person, so a lot of like the right hit the left and the left hit the right and the front and the back and this. I was messing up, but that doesn't matter. Just keep moving, y'all. That's my thing. Around the 21-minute mark, I looked at my watch. I was like, we still got 10 minutes of this left. Like I slowed down. I was tired. I couldn't keep up. I'm not gonna hold you. I kept moving. If I ever had to stop, I just made it like a fast-paced walk as long as I kept my heart rate up. My heart rate, let me see the highest my heart rate went. I averaged around 122 and the highest I saw it go was 133. It's still kind of going. That's the thing about HIIT workouts, like your body, like it's still trying to recover all the time. But anyways, I'm a fan. I think it is more my speed. I know a lot of you guys were like helping me out because in my previous walking challenge, I was like, I just don't feel like I'm really being pushed. And of course it also has to do with like how you push yourself and how you motivate yourself, because you are working out in your home by yourself, for example, so you really have to push yourself. No one's really yelling at you like they do in person. She does have walking, low impact, that doesn't have jumping. This HIIT one definitely had jumping, just in case anyone wants to know. The HIIT one had jumping, but I definitely want to try some of her dancing ones, her walking ones. I think I'm a fan. I might be a new fan. So definitely let me know down below if you guys have any other suggestions, any other YouTubers that you love doing home workouts. Let me know any of the results that you got from doing any of these workouts. And you know, I love reading those motivational comments. Yeah, should I make this a challenge? Should I do like Bodies by Jerrika 1 week straight or something like that? We have a trip coming up in November for my birthday, baby, and I'm ready. Just keep on pushing and looking good. Okay, that's all for today. I'm tired. I gotta eat something. I gotta hydrate. I'll catch you on the next one. Subscribe if you liked this video. Give me a like as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.